Hello!
Hi, welcome to ИнстаФорекс TV channel. The economic news will be presented by us, Anna Kasatkina
And Ekaterina Stikhina.
You are watching the overview of the currency and commodity markets for last week.
So in what currencies did investors prefer to put in their funds?
On Friday, the US dollar showed a positive dynamic, though gains were limited.
And what hindered the greenback's rise to fresh highs?
The Fed's decision to maintain its key interest rate unchanged still places the US dollar under pressure. The FOMC decided to keep the same funds rate on Wednesday, and the greenback headed downwards right after it. However, the US dollar managed to recoup some of its losses on Thursday. The Fed also slashed the number of awaited rate hikes this year to 1 from 2. Besides, the US regulator forecasted less aggressive rate increases for the next 2 years. Following the sharp slump, the greenback recovered against the yen on Wednesday after the Bank of Japan meeting results were announced. The central bank stood pat on its benchmark interest rate. The dollar-yen pair ended the week at the mark of 101, losing 1.21 yen. On Wednesday, the US dollar sank by 230 pips. The euro-dollar pair closed at 1.1226 levels. The single currency was climbing since Wednesday and gained 66 pips throughout the week. A series of PMI reports for Europe showed a sudden growth in activity of the manufacturing sector in Germany, while activity in the services sphere declined. On the whole, across the euro area, activity in both sectors declined. However, analysts had expected the composite PMI to have remained unchanged. That is all about movements in the Forex market.
Thank you for the review of currency pairs, Ekaterina.
You're welcome, Anne. And what trends were seen in commodity markets last week?
Both crude oil and gold futures fell in price on Friday, but over the week they were strong enough to finish in the green zone. On Friday, crude oil futures plummeted on fears that the forthcoming meeting of major oil producers may be in vain. Moreover, traders booked profit after the two-day rally which was observed on Wednesday and Thursday. In London, Brent crude futures for delivery in November fell $45.89 per barrel on Friday. Earlier last week, the quotes reached $48.26, the highest level since September 12. But even with the Friday fall, Brent futures rose by 12 cents or 0.26% over the whole last week. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, WTI crude oil futures for November delivery decreased to $44.48 per barrel. For the week, these contracts advanced by $1.45 or 3.25%. Meanwhile, gold prices also were in the trend of Friday's decline. However, the metal finished the week with the biggest gains in almost 2 months after the Federal Reserve refrained from raising interest rates. Trading on the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold for December delivery sank to $1,341.70 per troy ounce on Friday. But despite this slump, the precious metal rose in price by $31.50 or 2.34% over the week and marked the best weekly gain since July 29.
Anna, thank you for the review of commodity markets.
You're welcome, Ekaterina.
You've watched the weekly review of foreign exchange and commodity markets on ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
With us, Ekaterina Stikhina
and Anna Kasatkina.
Good luck and goodbye.
See you soon.